Hey, what's up, Vechain holder? So in the same time, my brother, all holder ask me to what skin Vechain will moving upward. Can there is a chance to they will pumps up? Yes, my brother. The same condition is very bad now. The current condition is very critical now. All crypto market is dumps down. You can see here all change occurring will be negative now. So can there is a chance to Vechain will wake up? Yes, my brother, absolutely. In this video, I predicate this coin. I do a technical analysis. I will update you and I will share my brother opinion in the last of this video. So let's get started. My video of this brand video, please subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you understand. Please like and subscribe for more this type of urgent videos and updates. My brother, this time if you check out my friend the updates, so I hope my brother you also absolutely understand to what's going on this time in Vechain. My brother, first of all, you can see this time the price, the market cap and supply and change occur, all updates is on the screen. But this time my friends, you can see especially in the chat occurring. So that's mean in the last 7 days this coin is a profit, but in last one day a loss now, and last 1 hour you can see it again in the profit. So let's see, my brother, if we predicate this coin, you better understand now, my brother. Let's predicate this coin. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel. This time, my brother, absolutely the last 24-hour chart is on the screen, and if I predicate this coin, so that's me, my brother. So this coin is completely upcoming time is in the profit now. Congratulations, my brother. The last trend is moving upward, so that's mean to this coin the good pumps is coming soon now, and I hope, my brother, the price will be increased now. What's the reason to they will moving upward? Absolutely in the mid of month, especially all currencies moving upward now. So I hope in upcoming time they will move upward now. And remember to in the start of month all currencies is very badly fails down. So therefore, my brother, this time Vechain is fails down. But I hope, my brother, the big pumps is coming soon now, and they will starting moving upward now. Let's see to what they do. But kindly holder, you need to hold, because at the end of month, absolutely if they fails down and yesterday, today, or my brother tomorrow. So I hope, my brother, after the mid of month they will move upward. They just only pumps and pump. Let's see, my brother, absolutely if you hold it. So I hope they will give you a very good profit at the end of month. See you next time. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe our YouTube channel.